Here, Tristan.
Wow!
Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm trying to open it. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I don't want to wreck it.
Open that lever.
Okay, bring it in the house, please. Open it up in the house. Bring it in the house. Bring it in the house. They're the sheets. They're doggy feet.
Open it.
Bring your blanket inside so it doesn't get dirty.
Pick it. Outside.
Oh, it's a little bed skirt. Look at me, Trista. What do you say? Trista, look at me. I know. What do you say? Say thank you, Grandma Pama.
Thank you, Grandma.
Look at me. Say thanks, Grandma.
Thanks, Mama.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, where are you going?
My blanket.
No, it goes inside your room. Silly. Okay, well, that'll be an issue. We have to wash it anyways. Why don't you lay down?
It's cold out here. Mama.
Hey, Khalees. All right, Trista. That looks nice.
There.
All right,
Lay
good night.
down.
It's for you. Sure is cute.
Now we go in the home. You
What
lay down.
What kind of animals are there?
Pink.
No, what cat? Is it what, a doggy?
Doggy.
And what's this?
A doggy.
That's a cat.
That's a cat. That's a doggy too.
Okay, say goodnight.
Right.
Love you.
Those are the doors. We open.
Okay, bye.